Bihira akong kilabutan at ma-impress sa sinasabi ng tao. First time hata ito na nagsasalita nung pinakikinggan ko, kinikilabutan ako. Donald Trump na ako ngayon. Ang lupit nun. Yan yung sinasabi ko eh. Sa bagong sistema, gawin natin kung ano yung tama na tingin natin. Hindi kailanman maho-hostage ang bagong sistema. Ilalabas yung kasiraan mo, yung kamalian mo ng mga tao, tuturuan ka ng mga tao, sasabihin sa'yo, mali ka, gayahin mo sila, huwag kang balagbag, huwag kang aning, huwag kang nag-drugs, normal ka dapat, putang ina. Lahat ng normal ay nanunungkulan ngayon. Walang aning na nanunungkulan maliban sa nagsasalita ngayon. Donald Trump ay aning. Donald Trump dapat ang mamuna ng United Nations. Gawin mo ano gusto mo. Maiksay buhay, isang ka masaya, gawin mo. Wag mong, walang pakialaman, trip namin to eh. Na maglilingkod kami na ganito kami. Hindi kami maglilingkod dahil ganon gusto nyo. Pero sa bagong sistema, walang mahirap. Sa bagong sistema, walang baha. Sa bagong sistema, walang traffic. Utang ina. Parating na ang bagong sistema. Donald Trump ay para sa bagong sistema. Halos naiyak ako nung narinig ko yung sinasabi niya. Hindi ko lubos maisip na yung sinasabi ko ay sinasabi rin ng isang pangulo ng isa sa pinakamakapangyarihang bansa. Bakit? Tunay sa puso namin eh. Yung hangarin na mabago yung sistema eh. Gusto ko lang mayayos yung bansa para kung mamatay ako, yung mga anak ko, maayos ang pamumuhay sa tinitirang bansa. Yung mga kaibigan ko, yung mga kamag-anak ko, yung mga mahal ko sa buhay, ay mamamatay ako na alam ko na sila ay payapa. Na hindi ko na sila maililigtas. Ako ang superhero ng pamilya ko. Ako ang superhero ng bayan ko. Ako ang superhero ng mga tao ko. Gusto kong mailigtas ang bansa sa corruption, sa kawalangian, sa kagaguhan, sa lamangan. Hindi maililigtas ang Filipino kung may mga abusado, kung may mga makapangyarihan na gusto nila na sila lang ang namamayani. Hindi mo kailan maililigtas kung ikaw ay hostage ng pamahalaan. Kung ikaw ay hostage ng taong bayan, ay hindi mo maililigtas ang bansa. Bayani ang kailangan, isang matapang, isang may puso, isang aning na kagaya ni Donald Trump. Panahon na ng bagong sistema. Magising ang lahat. Lahat ng leader o politiko dito sa bansa, huwag nating hayaang hostage tayo. Tayo leader eh. Tayo nauna, hindi po pwedeng tayo nasa likuran. Kalimutan natin yung sinabi ng isang pangulo, kayo ang boss ko. Putang inang yon. Bullshit yon. Kaya nabulok dahil doon. Gustong suyuin ng lahat ng Pilipino. Tayo leader, tayo mauna, tayo maglingkod. Tayo maging ehemplo. Ano kung naging masama? Ano kung may nagawang mali? Kung inayos yung sarili para lamang maglingkod, isang sakripisyo yun na. Hindi kailanman hostage ang aning. Hindi kailanman. Baguhin natin ang sistema 4th District. Dito natin simulan sa bayan ng Marilao, sunod sa 4th District, sunod sa buong bansa. Para makita ni Donald Trump, merong kagaya niyang mag-isip. Patunayan natin sa bansa. kaya natin itong lahat. Hindi ng iilang makapangyarihang tao ang mamamayani. Tulungan niyo ako. Maging advocate ang lahat. Maging advocate ng bagong sistema. Kailanman ay hindi natin ipiplease ang kahit sino. Kailanman.
I never force anyone to choose me. If you think you can find something better elsewhere, then go ahead. I'm not holding you back. Life's too short to hang on to someone who's not sure they want to stay. I believe in freedom and the truth of feelings. If you must stay, let it be your heart tells you this is where you belong. Not because I asked you to. I want to be a choice, not a default option. I want someone who stays for who I am, not who you want me to be. The door is always open. You're free to leave at any time. Don't let this world make you bitter. Don't let the actions of other people turn you cold on the inside. Certain things happen that hurt us. People come that leave us. And most of all, there are moments when you're bound to fall. Don't let those things make you unkind. It's okay to cry. It's okay to be sad. But it's never okay to do other people wrong just because you were done wrong. We're human. We break. We make mistakes. But don't let pain and sadness run your lives. I'm at peace because I know I was always true, had the best intentions, came from a good place with all of my heart, and I wish the very best to everyone. Even the ones who wanted nothing more than to spotlight the ugliest parts of me. Still, I wish them well. I always will. I hold blessings for everyone, but especially for the ones who wanted nothing more than to see my light turn dark. Why? Because they need it the most. My peace, it is mine. It's personal, unbreakable, and I guard it with my life because for the life of me, I earned this shit. You cannot break through my light and you cannot shake my peace. It's mine. You'll know you've made the right decision listening to what the world says you should do. Start listening to your own heart. There are only a few people in this world who will stay completely true to you, and you should be one of them. Listen to your own voice, your own soul. Too many people listen to the noise of the world instead of themselves. Deep inside, you know what you want. Let no one decide that for you. In life, you will fall out with people that you never thought you would, get betrayed by people you trusted with all of your heart, and get used by people you would do anything for. But life also has a beautiful side to it. You will get loved by someone you never thought you would have. Form new friendships with people that will establish more meaningful and stronger relationships, and overcome things you never thought you would get over. We all have chapters that end with people at some point in life, but take pride in knowing that the very best part of your book is still being written. If someone shows you that they can live without you, show them that you were born without them. Don't compare yourself to anyone. Always keep your head held high and remember you're neither better nor worse. Simply, you are you, and no one can change that. You will always be the wrong person as long as the story is told by people who have decided to tarnish your image. If everyone knows where you're going, you'll never reach your destination. Let them believe that you sleep, not that you run. After someone tries to avoid you, it's almost impossible to watch a sunset without dreaming. Wherever you go, whatever the weather, always bring your own sunshine. It's better to be surrounded by a few people who truly love us than by many who make us believe they do. Never doubt yourself. You are capable of much more than you think. Remember that whatever you do in life will never be enough for others. So do what you want to do. Avoid those who seek to destroy your personality and always believe in yourself. You are not everyone's cup of tea. The world is filled with people who, no matter what you do, no matter what you try, will simply not like you. But the world is also filled with those who will love you fiercely. The ones who love you, they are your people. Don't waste your finite time and heart trying to convince the people aren't your people that you have value. They will miss it completely. They won't buy what you are selling. Don't try to convince them to walk your path with you, because you will only waste your time and your emotional good health. You are not for them and they are not for you. You are not their cup of tea and they are not yours. Politely wave them along and you move away as well. Seek to share your path with those who recognize and appreciate your gifts, who you are. Be who you are. You aren't everyone's cup of tea, and that is okay.